Do you often wonder where Samsung Galaxy smartphones save passwords? In this video, we will spill the beans. So, if you're using Google Chrome as the default browser on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then your passwords are saved in the Chrome browser itself. Here's how to find it. Open Chrome browser and tap on the three-dot icon at the top, followed by Settings. Tap on Password Manager to see the list of saved passwords. Tap on a website or use the search to find the website. Confirm your identity using a fingerprint or PIN. Now press the eye icon in the password field to view the saved password. Do note that you can use the Edit or Delete buttons to customize or remove the password or copy it to the clipboard. So, if you are using Samsung Internet Browser as the default browser on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then your passwords are saved in Samsung Pass. Here's how to find it. Open Settings on your phone and go to Security and Privacy, followed by Samsung Pass. Confirm your identity by scanning your fingerprint or using any other mode. Tap on Apps, Websites under Sign-in Info, or press Manually Add to view passwords saved on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Tap on a website whose password you want to see and press the eye icon next to the password field to reveal the password. That's it. This video will surely help you to view saved passwords in Samsung Galaxy smartphones. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.